Hello and welcome to Assembly, your comprehensive culture suite that adapts to your unique needs, goals, and people. In this video, I'll walk through how to get started. First things first, you'll want to include others in your account so you can collaborate together. To do so, navigate on the left-hand side, find the plus Add Teammates button, and either paste or type out emails from whom you'd like to invite. From there, hit send and they'll receive an invite. Next, a quick lay of the land. Inside Assembly, you'll see the main navigation bar here on the left-hand side, any content to be engaged with in the middle, and some filters and navigation on the right. To start on the left-hand side, this is where you can create new flows, engage with others, and use any flow that's already been created. You'll see those flows here. To create something new, navigate to templates, where you'll see hundreds of ideas that we've already created. Also at the top right, you can start from scratch. Once you've located a template that you like, either using categories or specific problems and use cases. From there, you can hit preview, where at the bottom right, you'll see use this template. This pops you into a brand new flow where no one else has been invited yet. Once inside a flow that you own, you'll be able to see insights and analytics. You'll be able to hit the editor, which I'll review in a moment. And you can also share and download data. Sharing is where you include others who should be participants inside of the specific use case or flow that you've created. Some flows can be used with just one person, others with groups or teams, or the entire organization. You can use all those settings here to include the correct people. Another important piece is the editor. That's how you can change, one, how this flow is triggered or not, either scheduled, on demand, or with no trigger. And you can also build the content of this flow, basically what information you're gathering inside of this flow. Feel free to check out other blocks that we can include inside of the flow. Okay, so that's a little bit about flows. Another important piece is the Knowledge Center. The Knowledge Center is where all the information, content, videos, URLs, pictures, any type of media is collected inside Assembly, so it can be filtered and organized. Next, we have the People tab. This is the people profile of everyone that's inside of your Assembly instance, along with a few bit of details that you can see here on the right. If you ever have questions, at the top right, you can navigate to the Get Live Support button, where you can ask questions directly to our team of assemblers. Hopefully this was a good overview on how you can build new flows, engage with ones that have already been created, and pull useful insights and analytics.